In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, you need to open up the document you wish to save. Let's say you've started this document and it hasn't been saved yet. Let's go ahead and do this. The quickest way is to press F12 on your keyboard. This will open up the new Save As window. From here, we can locate and identify where you want this document to be saved. Click Desktop, Downloads Documents, and then in the file name, we're going to type in the name of the file you wish to save it as, such as version 1, and then click Save. You know it's saved because it says Save to this PC at the top, and here is the name. If your F12 key isn't working, we can do it an additional way. Click File at the top of the ribbon, then click Save As. Then navigate to where you want it to be saved, click Browse, click Desktop, and then next to file name, type in the name of the file you want to save it as. Make sure it's selected as Word document, and then click Save. You know it's worked because at the top, like before, it says Save to this PC, and here is the name of the file. Now that we've saved our file and it's been named, we can go ahead and make some changes to our document. For example, if I remove this paragraph, I want this to be saved. So I can do it very easily. Press Ctrl S, and as the top, it changed to Save to this PC. That's just a quick shortcut of saving. You can also achieve this by clicking File and clicking Save next to the floppy disk. You can also do this at the top on the blue ribbon where it says Save. In many cases, you can use the AutoSave function. I encourage you to do this because we know that Word can be temperamental and sometimes crashes can take place. Click it on. You'll need to attach it to a OneDrive account. Don't worry, if you've got a license for Microsoft Word, this is completely free. So just select it and it'll automatically autosave your documents. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other Microsoft Word tips and tricks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.